Hello everyone. This presentation is a proposal for implementing a collaborative social support platform for Rebecca Incorporated. Rebecca Incorporated is an OEM creating components for use in audio equipment. Their clientele consists mainly of enterprise customers and they do not have any direct interaction with the client's user base. Currently, Rebecca Incorporated has a Facebook page and a Twitter handle mostly used for promotional purposes. When the new CTO at Rabanco looked at the support numbers, this is what he saw. NPS and CSAT scores were down, response time was below industry standards, customers were openly expressing their dissatisfaction with customer experience, and the only reason for customer loyalty was the pricing of the products. The goal that the CTO had for my team was to improve the quality of customer experience using a scalable and reliable solution without significantly adding to the company's resources or costs. When my team analyzed the support data from Rebecca's support center, this is what we saw. Questions related to how to and troubleshooting made up for a bulk of the questions and were associated with the lowest CSAT rates. In 22% of the cases, clients had managed to resolve the issues on their own. In 40% of the cases, customer support personnel did not have any idea of the solution being previously solved. My team noted the following inefficiencies with the current model. There was an over reliance on individual expertise and lack of collaboration, leading to increased response times. There was no tracking mechanism for queries redirected from Facebook and Twitter. Enterprise customers had no means to share their knowledge with each other. Based on this data, my team clearly concluded that Rebecca Incorporated would readily benefit from a collaborative social media platform that helped them share, document, and archive solutions. After brainstorming with the technical management team, we arrived at an objective for our project: improve NPS by 20%, reduce call volume by 30% by the end of financial year 2018 using the social platform JiveX, and by using 20% of the human and financial resources allocated to the technical support team. The CTO would be our social champion, helping us with approvals, budget, and staffing. The current social media manager at Rebecca would oversee strategy, training, and promotion. The social evangelist, a lateral hire, would be responsible for recruiting contributors and designing reward programs. The social media manager and evangelist would report to the CTO and work with legal teams for necessary approvals. 20% of existing Tier 3 agents would be dedicated to responding on forums and report to the social support manager, who in turn would report to the social media manager. We chose JiveX to be our platform of choice because it could be readily implemented and customized, had the most competitive pricing, provided a platform for creating and archiving documents. The platform was SEO friendly, allowing most popular posts to surface on search engines. It also came with a free reporting tool, providing the necessary metrics that Rebecca required. Our proposed strategy was to route how-to queries from call and chat and tech queries on Facebook and Twitter to JiveX. Tier 3 agents from Rebecca and enlisted volunteers from clients would respond to help queries on questions posted. Solved cases would be documented in a knowledge base, and documents on popular solutions would be shared on Facebook and Twitter handles from Rebecca. The JiveX team would handle the implementation, training, and maintenance of the program for $80,000 for the first 2 years. Our social evangelist came up with a sum of $5,000 towards reward programs. Our guidance was that the program would pay for itself by financial year 2019. Staffing would stabilize as more contributors participated in the programs. The following metrics would be employed to measure the progress of the initiative on a periodic basis. For the call center, it would be reduction in response time, improvement in CSAT and NPS scores, and improved first call resolution rates. For JiveX, it would be improvements in positive sentiment around forum posts, increase in the number of page views and number of posts marked as answered. It would also mean increase in number of contributors every quarter, positive ad verbatim feedback from clients, and reduction in the number of redundant queries. For Facebook and Twitter, it would mean the number of retweets and shares for troubleshooting documents. In terms of sales, the team would observe improvement in renewal rates for Rebecca's products.